بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to science class. Open your book page 8. So today we will do exercise of unit 1. The question number 1 is choose the correct answer. Which organ controls all the systems and organs in the body? Which organ controls all the systems and organs in the body? Options are nose, brain, heart and skin. So the correct option is brain. Number 2, which two sense organs do we use when we cross a road? Eyes, tongue, ears and nose. So the correct option is eyes. Question number 3 is which waste product does the skin get rid of? Options are blood, sweat, tears and urine. So the correct option is sweat. Now number 4 is which organ tells us what we are seeing? Nose, ear, brain and liver. So the correct option is brain. Fifth one is what does the blood travel in to move around the body? Options are lungs, veins and arteries, muscles and skin and brain. So the correct option is veins and arteries. Now question number 2 is match each body part to the correct system. These are system and these are body parts. Muscles, bones, arteries, nerves and stomach. Systems are nervous system, digestive system, skeletal system, muscular system and circulatory system. So muscles, muscular system. Bones are present in skeletal system. Arteries are part of circulatory system. Nervous system. Stomach is present in digestive system. Now question number 3 is which word do not belong in each list? There may be more than one word. Skeletal system, respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system. Skeletal system: skull, eye, spine, lung, kneecap and heel. So eyes and lungs are not included in skeletal system. Skull, spine, kneecap and heel. Respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. So nerves and heart are not the organs of respiratory system. Circulatory system: veins, ear, artery, blood vessels, heart and ribs. So ear and rib. Digestive system: liver, hip, stomach, intestine and brain. So head is not belong in digestive system. So students, take care and Allah Hafiz. See you next time with new unit.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.